What's up, guys? Today, um, I might have delayed on that call, but yeah, the final reveal. Um, I was about to finish it last week, probably, until I just decided to give up, and I thought, like, that's horrible to give up on such a thing that can be so good. So I came back for this car, and it got saved. It's saved. I saved its life. It's fine. The doors are actually fully mechanical. Yes, I didn't make them mechanical last time, but now I just made them mechanical because people are just saying to add mechanical doors because you can't really get out. This one it just doesn't want to work. Starting to shake. This one, okay. It's kind of strange. It's supposed to be like it's gonna go. It's gonna go in a moment. Boom. It is horrible. Um yeah. It's pretty nice in here. You can pretty much chill. Like you can put yourself like a seat. Let me do that right now. I added myself a seat in the back. We might make this into a kidnapper van. You might not know, but we're going to overseek the mechanics and how it works. So firstly we started on the base of the wheels, as you might say, or flip. Yeah, the wheels are connected to something. Um yeah. I just finished them today, so random applause to me. Um anyway. We're going to see how did I make the wheels work, because it's kind of impossible, and how it's so straight because actually as it's so far, actually it's meant to be very close. It's supposed to be very round, but it Roblox just doesn't like the physics and it just randomly makes a jump. So for example, right now is if I remove this, wait. You see, it makes it very jumpy, and Roblox does not like that. It can still be pretty smooth. And guys, I did actually had time to work on the light. Not the light, miss the light from Puppy Playtime, but like the light. I didn't make it because I didn't have enough. Okay, guys, I did have enough to do for the rest, like this part, but it's a little too much on these. I don't know why. It's like 16 blocks. No, I have 30, like 50 blocks. Don't mind that. Yeah. You're probably seeing why are the doors floating? It's actually this mechanic. Yep. It is not easy. It took so long to make the doors. I don't know why. It just and doors. I think if I would make this transparent, would this be good or bad? Because we will need to see. Like, if you're first person, you will need to see the through the like in real life. You see, let's put it in Roblox 10. So in real life, you are in first person. If you couldn't see through the glass, like it's fully opaque, or you think opaque means that you can't see through it. It's going to make you crash and take some injuries. So I mean, it fits on these. It's just needed to be. Also, these, when I built yesterday, a couple days ago, um, unfortunately, I have to make them, um, no collision because the doors won't work. But I did an amazing job on this. I know it doesn't look like anything here, it's confusing your brain. But while you're thinking when I'm dealing with this, I need to deal with it. Um, you need to, like, see, bro. It's. Well, actually, I can just load it. So we're going to see how I made those now. You see how much stuff here. What should I make next? I'll probably subscribe for a plane or like for another car, like a sports one though. So we'll see how much we get throughout this year, and we'll see. I am going to drop out a new drifting because I apparently saw that you guys seem to like it, and I thought so it's great content for you guys to see, so I'm going to make more of it. And I'm right here going to make more of this stuff. Yeah. Great. But how does the doors work? It's a really good question. If you would have it. Because it's not really normal. I think it's kind of weird. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. So we have the piston because we could connect everything. And what we have here, because we can't do it directly in the car, we have to, just like the wheels, we have to take it out a bit. We have to take it out a bit. I didn't need to, but I added some block on the back door. I didn't really need to, but here I also added a hinge point, or as you can call it, if I'm correct, observer. Observer, yeah. An observer is going to make it turn. So this one right here, you're seeing it as reverse rotation because if you look right here, you can see the reverse rotation. But this one it doesn't require. It's fine. That's why this one is more better than the. And we're going to put it to the test as well. I tested my Mars rover. I'm going to show you the test. I'm going to make another test because it's actually pretty cool. And yeah, the sneak peek will be at the end of the video, so don't miss out. But back in the video, sorry. These just go out, so here you see it. It goes outward like that. The back one, there isn't much explaining to do because it's very simple. It's only just requiring 2 blocks actually. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to show you that these are the handles. So the switches. So whenever you click the handles, it's going to unlock it. Or I must say, open and close it. For now, it's fine. The back door only works if these are collision off. But let's test them out. Let's test this truck. I don't even know what to call it. This van out. Let's test it out. Let's see how far it goes into the wilderness. The sea wilderness. So right here we'll have because we're not going to obviously come back. Because after this one we're going to finish and we're going to have a sneak peek. Okay, guys can have some clues. But this is almost than 1,000 blocks. Never mind. A bit honesty. But still. I just like how it just goes. It just pushes the vehicle forward. Backwards and backwards. This one would obviously be collision off. And these ones, you don't need to worry, because if you open this, you see it does that motion. If we press P right here, only remember this is for mobile, because I tried it in mobile before, and when you move, it's going to do this. Yeah, and if you move, like this. And for forward, it's going to do that. So it's not really relevant. If you want, you can. Let's test it out. Launch. We have our land. Let's see. We're going to try and dodge as much as we can. We just run over one rock. We should just say run over because we're running. Oh, flip. Smart move. Nope. Still got one in my face. Oh no! How did that happen? Flip, how did it reach up there? Nope. Okay, we're kinda cooked. At least it's not going for my driving license. Because the police are going to go after me. I think this one is pretty chill. Oh no. This one is really horrifying. Yep. The tornadoes. Nope. Oh, flip. We lost the front bumper. No. We lost the roof. At least we didn't lose. Guys, should I make another version of this car? We're going to use the same front. But instead we're just going to use the back like a trailer. Oh, flip. Yep. How is it still standing? I'm still standing after all this time. Unleash my defenses. My defenses are working upon us. We are halfway through. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's exactly 10, and we're halfway through. We're just so close to the next one. We're 6/10 away on the way. Ah, just gave me a haircut. Obviously, of course. Hey, it's kind of broken the lights. I can't believe my light bulb used as a sensor like this one is still alive. Never mind, he died. At least my wheel is safe. Flip. I only just have one wheel. No, not the puffer fishes. The puffer fishes were the worst. So guys, I think we're going to die soon. Oh my goodness. Yep, we died. So, we went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Through 7 stages. That's a pretty good one. If you are going in a round. Yeah, at least I got some gold there. But anyway, here's the sneak peek for my Mars rover test. Like, next week. It's going to include this. I haven't really driven it in a long time. I think when you press B and then when you press like L, it's pretty cool. It can go through smooth hills. This is why it's called the Mars rover. But guys, I'll see you in the next video. Yep. See you later. I want to shout out the people who will subscribe in the future. Shout out to them. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye, guys. You guys can subscribe or not. I mean, you don't have to. See you later.